Hello, my name is Jerry Ortman. I own Canton Aluminum with my brother Marty Ortman.
My name is Marty Ortman. I'm co-owner of Canton Aluminum along with my brother.
The business was started in 1952 by Morris Snell, my uncle. It's headquartered here in Canton, Ohio. We know the people. The people know us. We're involved in the community. We are not the big city boys, so to speak. So we know what people go through on a day-to-day basis. And consequently, we run our business in that manner. We try to help people wherever we can to enable them to make their dreams come true.
We specialize in sunrooms, windows, and siding. We also do insulated steel doors, fiberglass doors, storm doors, sliding patio doors, bays, bows, and garden windows, 3 and 4 season rooms, gutter and gutter cover. Canton Aluminum helps people realize their dreams by taking an interest in the work. What's most important to you? What do you want to see your window do? Are you looking for the beauty? Are you looking for a certain color? Is fuel savings the most important thing? And then once we find that out, we can gear them in the right direction.
When Canton Aluminum came, we weren't really sure what we wanted to do with the outside of our house. So we knew we wanted something different, but we weren't sure which direction to go. So Canton Aluminum was able to give us some direction as to what are good color combinations, what is a good color for resale.
We have always strived to give the customer the best possible job that they can get for the money that they are paying.
We traveled down to Canton Aluminum to the showroom and looked at the 4-track windows as well as the doors that they have down there, and were impressed by how sturdy they were, particularly the doors. They were much sturdier than the flimsy door that we had there in the first place. So we asked for somebody to come out and give us a quote and talk about how they would put that together in a room that was already built.
Well, the people that came to install the windows were very prompt. They came when they said they would. They were very polite. They were very professional. They did an excellent job. They cleaned up after themselves. They washed the windows when they were finished, and I was quite impressed with what a nice job they did with our installation.
What makes Canton Aluminum different is our people. I have a lot of customers that have maybe sold their homes, bought another home. They call us when they do that, and it's amazing because when we go measure the jobs or they see me, they said, this is the same person I talked to 15, 20 years ago, or the installers were the same.
I know that they do nice work, fair prices, and they guarantee their work.
The best part of our employees is they care. They pretend that they're working on their own home. They want to produce a beautiful job.
The guys working couldn't have been any nicer. The one was even on his hands and knees washing the cement off when they finished all the construction of it. They couldn't have been any nicer.
We take an awful lot of pride in our work, absolutely. That's what keeps us going. When customers are happy and they go ahead and show that by going ahead and telling their friends and neighbors who did their job.
I always tell people, call, click, or visit. We'll take a look at it. We don't charge you for estimates. Have us come in, we'll evaluate it, we'll give you some great ideas.